Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Yazi bafethu ngisabonga futhi ukuthi niyangena ningama-subscribers. Thank you very much. Angeke ngikhathale ukwenza lokho. Yeah, but into engifuna ukuyisho ngiqale ngayo namhlanje engiyibonile iyenzeka mhlambe sonke siyayazi, but asiyenzi lento. Bafethu ake sifundeni ukuthi no. Akuyithute hore awusabatlwenisa kamlomo utlwa go motho o mo utlwela bohloko o tla mo utlwisa bohloko tsitsinya hlogo fela obane le bona batho ba manipulative. When you say no to them, they pretend as if they didn't hear you. Motho tla re he or no are he on top. So bafethu no ska ga ikenyang dintho mare ntse re fila ka hare gore no ntwe it doesn't feels right. One top le wena o boyetsa ka lebaka la go khotsofatsa chomi go khotsofatsa ausi abuti malome mang. No, it's a no bafethu. Re kampane right discussa hantle right qala fatshe. And happy, don't be scared bafethu hore I don't know. A ke tsebe ane stebe a tshedebe we Vietnam a ke tsebe. Just say no when you don't know. Leyo nto ngithanda kakhulu leyo because it gives you some kind of authority, stability inika wena stability sokuthi ucontrol impilo yakho. Into mangayazi awayazi sisifake inkingeni ngokuvuma izinto esingazazi bafethu, or sipretende ngathi siyazi, or sisabe ukuthi asazi. Sizofunda kanjani? Uyangithola? Sizolena kanjani kuya phambili? Just say no. It doesn't mean you are stupid. Awutsho rosixela how no. Honna o clever how bana o batla ho tseba. You want to know. Uyangithola bafethu. So ekugcineni that is why abantwana bethu futhi bawela kulezi zinto zangaphandle. Ama 28 abonongoloza bafethu with respect. Yabo, with respect, peace. I want to say i28 enye futhi inamba yasejele. Igangsterism yasejele i28. Lapho khona hayi baba akekho obuyayo. In fact akekho obuyayo. Even nabantu bakhona niyabezwa mababeka istory la ukuthi akekho obuyayo. Asikhohlweni le ukuthi yena uthini ngaye. Ake sibhekeni le ukuthi uthini nge28 ngenombolo. Generally speaking utla right. Even yena himself azanga khutla just nje u free phela ka montle re free bafethu. Wabona e controller the way re narrate and ditori ka teng. So ba bang batho ba baya ba weak mo wabona ha ba ibeya utlwa ka re o ba confused or motho o wa tshosa kapo wa ruta kapo praise crime kapo praise yena. You can't really get him. You understand? So entse le phatela ke re nomoro eo a go gutli hape bafethu. Ma 28 a tla o joetsa ona le 28 le snan scratch whether ke la thipa kapa ke la donkey pia. Asa etsa next ba banga ba so tlhabe batho. They never stepped people, some of them, but they have scars to show for it. Yes. For fella in the 28 and the scars e bafethu di kotsi di different. Some scars are emotional, some scars are spiritual, some scars are physical. So tse spiritual di scars bafethu o tsebe ma 28 a dila ka o sodomizer bafana ba banyana. Period. So that's gonna be a scar spiritually first, because wena robetso ka lwena ene bafethu hore ba robale lwena batho ba. Remember there are three people bo robalwang le bona laba eklalwang nabo. There are three kind of people. Kunabantu abarapiwayo bafethu. Ngiyengizwe mina ngithi kunabantu abathi echele ngeke bakurape lalela bhuti oh ithi ngokutshela just educate yourself here ukurape akusho ukuthi kumele bakhame kuphela like struggling banilwe laphayana no yabona some people they play you psychologically mentally Brian yabona bawuthosa some they pretend like they attack you yabona babang bona they pretend like they are going they came to the rescue for you wanjalo kanti ke bona nentse ba o batla original that's rape mfethu batho ba bang ba tshwile mfethu that place ya tshosa ka boyona batho bao ba le bangata ba tshosa ena hopola bonongoloza ba sebetsa ka madi ba qhithikazi labantu all the time ba qhithikazi wedela abanye abantu wedela abo wedela amapolisa but bona they are splitting the blood always we understand mfethu so bafethu never le khutle le ko ma 28 period abajikijiki abayilekwa well ba bangata bona ka montle la utlwa ko di social media o tlo ra nna so hlabe motho marebe ngotswe mo ntheo ke re mozuma wa remember ke tswa halen that's why ke re never ban robe wa but ha re mo re lenteng go re bona ba hlabana ebile ba ibua e nomborong ba dila ka yona ba subscribe for that day
so that's the main thing
so ntwana yam 20 something nje ai yiko mina bengethe awuna le 28 le linyane awuna le big 5 le linyane awuna le 26 le linyane rough 4 rough 3 aleyo le linyane because wena o ba under batho ba o ba under control ya batho ba whereas o hanno ba under control ya batswadi ba hao your parents
yes
mole o tlo ba under control ya batho ba papa wena wa rata or ha o rata
so understand when you refuse
consequences my brother and terrible ones and you know my brother sometimes nomoro ha se kaofela ba tseba nomoro most of them ke masole ba control kwa
because they don't know the
yes wa bona nako nngwe o thola ra o sa itsebe and then tlamelo o lo hlabiwa and then if o sa batlo hlabiwa tlamelo o lo qhithala kazi uqale sibanga banga uqhithikazi ubonisa ukuthi wena uyinsizwa awukho ngapha
yes
wa bona jwale ha o lo bontsha rontsizwa hopola ro ka ra tronko tshwere so ke another case e umfanaka ma 28 a tswa ka ofela tlo shebana le wena that case that is why ba banke tshilo ka re ba kena ba etsa bokana ba tswa ba etswa bokana a tswa batswadi ba se ba hlokaetse mfana semzeni ngicela uzixoxe mina wa bona and then thungwe hape ma 28 ba fetha dilang ka yona ba fetha eske tshilo ke re ba dila ka madi batho bale wa bona nthwe ngwe le ngwe ba etsang ke madi balwana baqhithikazi babovu labantu iflege yabo bona ibomvu inomuntu omhlophe yama 26 imhlophe inomuntu obovu you see the difference yeah the way bayibeka ngakhona
yes
yabona
less purity more blood
yes and into ama 28 abathosa ngayo engibonile kakhulu ilento le endabuko imaginary story nyana sokuthi bona badabukaphi baqhamukaphi nongoloza was a brother to who ay bafethu ilale nto yaqanjwa iclever abantu engithi ama genius but we are geniuses in the way wrong uyabona but the fact ukuthi abantu aba genius abaqala lento
very creative
they are very creative Brian uyabona but iyashintsha mayilokuya that's why bathi intambo yende kala yini I fail how le clever enough lo wena you innovate there you invent there how le slim lo wena unfortunately most of the guys baditsotsi I can say 70% of them they are genius because who talk about bona ke bu genius ntwe you plan many things before bravery you plan many things one thought so Buffett how little 28 nahana just think of this watswa he how tswa fihla ka ntle ntwana ha we isile ngena le 6 months we thola se na le 9 years wena o tswa tronko and abathabile gore mama o thabile gore yo papa o khutlile ntwana e thabile gore yo le time le khutlile
I get to meet my father
one child kanti le o santsana o tlo le meet boy ha o tsebe le time la o se le nongoloza se ka bofu wabona original vagina asayuqwa ayisaseta koyena usosebenza anal chocolate box one thola my brother hobaneng ke social dining ya o senya mentally wa itlwaela ntho o yetsa ke my brother and nako ngwe ha o yeditswe le wena ba bangata da ha ile ma 28 amanyana ba tshaba lo hlaba my brother out of 100 only 3 or 4 e tla hlaba mara most ba lo gagatiwa and le bona ma 28 a grot aba rata ba wela trapping ya hore ba gagatiwe vele ba tlo sebela nomoro like my big 5 my big 5 ba batla o yeskela ba batla lo sebela ko pillow casing out abule wa understand le bona ma 28 a o latella da hore ba tlo sebela nomoro we thole easy wena o tlo etseba nomoro o tlo etseba like wa bona
but at the cost
yeah mar baba bamba never ba etseba bana bana le nkane bona ya o ithuta ba tlo etsang ba lo qola sibanga ba hlabe then o khophuka fela bo soleng ha khophuki di officing you can't really control 28
yes
yeah he will support protect the 28 he soldier le
general
yeah jwale wa bona gore ngwana hao ha sa na pile le ntho tseo ba fetho as nna ke tsho ke re nna ke thiba bana da dintwana tse ba fetho oshi hoi eitha eng a di sebetse ntho tseo is demonic ba fetho is demonic obane monno mo mfana o tlo shapa ka kwae kona o dilo ko ntlo kene skela o tshware bonna ba hao fresh mfana ka o phele life ya hao di social media mo mamela batho ba mameleang hona le batho ba sa tlameang ba mamele ntwanaka ene wa ba fila wa ba bona once o fila ga o ka re ke mashaya go deeper ka o zoom mfana ka that's how you learn
yes
le bo tsheri ba ka ba banyane you learn
by
paying attention ko motho and your instinct might not be a lie most of the time ha o tla gona le ntwe off ka o a ona le ntwe off ba bangata ditorira di utlwa le ka mamela hantle ona le batswileng ha tswa o sa batla msadi ka mo morao jana ko chocolate box ko msadi otherwise sa nyonyobela ntwana or ko ntle kwa sa utlwala go bo msebetsing ona le ntwana a tshola le yona e be se ge tlo e bua se go hore ke gay kana go ngwa se gay yo straight ke 28 yeah if re tlo re ke gay o tsho ma 28 he ke gay the nickname ma 28 are gays net fela ba tshaba o bua le bitso le ba tshaba o declare ba joine the nation ele ya Q what thank you my brother wa bona bana ba etsa ntho e one mos ba etsa ntho e one
they just look
ma 28 yeah they just naming bona ba simplifier act ya bona ba sugar coat
ba etsa against the movement
one shot so bafethu ngisho bangihlala ngisho ngithi nani lapha ejele angeke ngikhulume kakhulu ngabonongoloza because futhi badumile yabo bayaziwa la kuma TV iqiniso ntwana yami lento banitshela yona mara kungamelanga ube nandaba nayo uyikholwe futhi ileyo ukuthi lo okhuluma istory yena uyibeka kanjani for yena ungayinaki le unake le ayibeka for inombolo uzowuza umoya phuma lapho ntwana yami hlonipha mamakho hlonipha babakho namalanga akho akwazi ukwenza ukongezeka empilweni sometimes you might think ukuthi you're gonna die soon only to find I naba bo apha bayaphila I didn't think ngizoba na 50 something mina
one day
wabona and then now I feel the pain I feel the regret now one thought so you don't want to go down that road my brother my sister please ha re bueng le bana batho ba baholo ha re beng patient ra tseba o bua le bana re tseba nnete ha re tloeleng di favor tse siko aibo ha re tloeleng di favor tse siko hobane nna ke tshilo ka re ke tlo ba zooma all over mo social media I'm here ha o tlaka nomoro against the apa number 1 educational speaker in the whole world wena Chicken City Chicken City kuzumile braka ngokuzumile braya wena u embrace inombolo I'm telling you now ngaphakathi kwazo zonke u embrace inombolo braya and then now I don't like it because you are against me yabo ngisusa inombolo kwintwana zami wena mfethu uyayifaka and you have that power yabo because bayakwazi from Rhythm City kule show beyidlala ku e.tv bayakwazi wena nabo suffocate laphaya. So there we understand ukuthi bo actor you are teaching ngeart ngoku actor la ngesiketch uyangithola ukuthi abantu bayibone lento uyangithola. But now ngithola ukuthi uChicken uyeza uzophila leyo nto wena kuma podcast VV and awufundisi ngenombolo mfethu ufundisa inombolo because nina niyayishova la uyangithola uyayishova wena dala ngikubona la kuma YouTube mfethu. Otherwise lento leyo ngicela mina ngepeace ngerespect ngicela uyiyeke mfethu yabo anguku atheke personally la yabona ngiyabona uhlala umotivate but uzinyathela imino wena self uzishaya 2 feet wena mself body. Why ngithi uzinyathele imino mfethu and why ngithi upromoter inombolo why ngithi ubonisa abantwana indlela wrong body cela nilaleleni la
Ngiphatha ugqwali qina amathambo sezizonke ziyafakazela wena ndoda Sibengolani uShalom uyangishayisana wona nawe mfethu yithi sezizonke mfethu isayalela ngazo emzokwaneni saphinde sagcotshelwa wona mfethu uyangishayisana sanikezwa namhlanje uyangishayisana phekwa amaqiniso mfethu kanti kukhona abanikwayo namhlanje kepha nje banikezwe into engaphili mfethu ukuthi manje bayadlikizwa ngaze ngithi bayayenziswa abazenzeli sho ukuthi manje ke mawumuntu kumnandi ukuthi uzibasele mfethu.
Uyangithola niyayizwa lento bafethu niyayizwa lento bafethu angeke uzokhuluma kanje wena kuma social media ekubeni odumile uthandwa yintwana uyicelebrate mfethu uinspire abafana mfethu ukuthi nabo bayo actor nani uyishaka mnandi iphathi yakho lapha ku Rhythm City but la ku YouTube bot angeke uzoyishaka mnandi lokuthi hosh ukhuluma inombolo that language phela lapha yana uyayishova niyabafundisa sishilo sathi khona abantwana abayazi half aba inspired by inombolo uyabona baloko bathi hoshi uyawubona ama gangster la ngaphandle intwana zethu Chicken mfethu bakhuluma leyo language uyabona abantu sebangcwabana ngaleyo language ngesinombolo mfethu abantu bangcwabana emngcwabeni baphethe ibhokisi mfethu bashaya inombolo up down. Come on mfethu up down up down up down. Marechele echela nikaze nangcwaba umuntu ningama 28 or 26 or big 5 or Air Force anikaze nangcwaba umuntu beka sengaphandle manje niyayizwa lento cela ungasimosheli intwana Chicken mfethu siphethe ubunzima le ntwana ziphathisa abomama ubunzima mfethu le ntwana zidla ama drugs mfethu le ntwana ziyaboshwa mfethu abomama bazi bayenzeni manje khona manje umama abanye abomama mfethu bakhipha inyembezi every night umntana wakhe uboshiwe mfethu yabo and umama akafoni ubaba akafoni umntana wakhe la wena ngapha uvela ubatshela ukhuluma isinombolo mfethu come on bhuti man siyacela ngoba atheke personal la ezingishilo and njengoba ngishilo ngathi ngizobazuma ngizoba name it's not like get ngalento leyo ukuthi uyang expose no you are already exposed but ukhuluma lento kuma social media uvela kuma TV you are already exposed. I don't think wena of all people ungakhala ngeexposure ukuthi ngiyak expose or maybe ngiyabo nali legama leli balithandayo yabona or ngiyakujaja yabona abantu niyabaleka makumele nikhuzwe ngenxa yokuthi siyakujaja sikubukisa ngabantu siyakubhekisela no watch your steps nawe watch your words nawe ungakhulumi kuphela kuma social media masiceda sithi abantwana bethu bafunda udoti kuma social media uyangithola but bheka abantu abapost udoti kuma social media abantu abadala so it's unfair ukublame abantwana bafethu ukuthi babona ini ku social media thina singabantu abadala especially ama ex convict bafethu ngiyangicela Chicken nawe ngiyacela mfethu and ukubonisa ukuthi bafethu lento le ngengayisho iproof manje yokuthi kuyagulwa masibuya ngendlela eziningi yabona ngicela nimlalele futhi chicken.
Yeah, obvious yona ikhona. It's just a matter of that mina angithandi ukulawulwa umuntu osifazane, yang understand that even if right, she must know she's wrong. When I say it's like this, she must accept because I'm the father of all nations. Much as nginabo baby mama bawugri kanjalo kanjalo yangithola. I'm a romantic guy, I'm a very loving guy, I'm very down to earth. But now I mean I have a short temper in a way whereby now I don't wanna be told something that is not matters more to me. Like I know more than things, man. Awungitsheli namhlanje.
Yayizwa lento. Hayi bafethu. Awukorele emapaleni bafethu. Chicken awukorele emapaleni. Sizelwe thina abomama bodi. Sine separation manje yokusokola ukuthi abobaba babulala abomama bachita abobaba babulala abomama bala ngabantwana abomama bakhomba abantwana endaweni ezero. Wena uyindoda ulandelwa abafana abancane uphuma ema-TV wethu uyi-celebrity ese-South Africa. Are you going to say wena awuzwa ngomfazi? Ukhuluma ngani bhuti? Ngathi ukhuluma some animal. Mawuthi ngeke ngizwe ngomfazi.
Some worthless creature.
Yeah, it's like ukhuluma cheap creature Brian. Ukhuluma ngomuntu, ukhuluma ngomama ngembokodo. The Rock bhuti. Umzali bhuti. Every house la, it will end up a house until there's a woman inside. It will be a home. If I understand abomama bhuti. Ngiyacela mfethu. Into ekhulumayo mawuyi-celebrity la kuma-social media. Watch it. Wazi ukuthi you are teaching. There are people that loves you, that listen to you, that are gonna believe and try to perfect what you are saying. I'm telling you mfethu, intwana. Bo intwana uyazi nawe intwana zi-curious. Angithi uyazi nawe intwana zi-serious mfethu. Lalelani la futhi bafethu.
Big 15 yangishayisana. Kwakwanga amadoda ayi-15 laphayana wena mfowethu yangishayisana. Hey, bathi ugcwale nawulani ngiyawufaka ophilayo kanti futhi ofakazela amashumi amabili ka-26 no-7. Mfowethu, makuyi-big 15 kanjalo wena mfowethu ke kuyadaleka ukuthi kona amadoda ukuthi manje-ke akangaka laphayana akangeleke tshani nonongoloza kodwa manje bengekho njalo inomboro ukuthi ibe njalo kube namadoda kanongoloza namadoda akangeleke tshani isukaphi lento lena inyawo cha yadabuka laphayana ukuthi kudaleke ukuthi la madoda uyisebenza daily kanjalo wonke umuntu uyasebenza daily hey le ndoda lena unongoloza yadala inomboro yokuthi igcwalisele ukuthi hayi ndoda ungeleke tshani yathola ziphi ungeleke tshani athi wosh ndoda ziphi hey wayefaka unongoloza unoziyaqa umsunu kwanyo wathi ndoda hey ngiyakhemisa
Chicken food. Chicken City. Ngikuzumile bhuti wami. I hope on an open mind. You are open-minded. Yabona? Yeah, if mhlambe bengizwe ngikuzwa ngenye indlela mina. Please, you are welcome into the ring, my brother. Sizoshama uppercut amajab. Ring us wise. Yabona? And ngiyazi ukuthi wena uke waboshwa. I-straight talk uyasithatha. Asibafundise ke abantu ukuthi iqiniso kumele ulifeyisa kanjani. So mina ngithi stop embracing inomboro Chicken City. Chicken Brown, please. I love you, my brother, as a person. If I did not, I was not gonna mention your name. You understand that, Patwam? I was not gonna mention your name. I was not gonna talk about you. So I love you, my brother. I know it's a common goal now. Yokuthi intwana zibe right. Yabo. So kumele sibonisane la ungayenzi right. You understand nje yami? Ngiyacela mfethu. Asinganyathelani inzwane masisebenza. Danko. Ngiyasibongela bafethu. Bafethu, i-Uppercut Podcast on the local room ngicela ne-support bafethu. Asenze izinto ngenhliziyo ezimbi la. Asenze izinto ngokuthi manje sispreade inzondo. Sispreada ipeace, sispreada irespect. But zonke lezi zinto zifuna iqiniso. Be honest. Iqala lapho lento. ukuba neqiniso, and iqala lapho lento ukuba namanga iyale ku left. Zonke lenkinga esinazo mawungabheka kahle ziqale ngamanga bafowethu. Saze sajoyina izinto ezinamanga, izinto ezinjengenombolo. Inombolo enamanga period. Subscribe, share, like bafethu, keep commenting, keep ama ideas, and everyone bafethu on a story, on a or noma story sakho is for teachings, yabo, yeah, everyone ukhona eringini woza bafethu sizoshama uppercut ukuthe mawukuthe, you are allowed, no fighting.
It's the ring after all.
It's the ring after all. Uyangithola? Ngiyabonga bafethu ukuthi nihlezi nesichaza, ngiyabona niyangena bafethu, ngenani ngobuningi bafethu, sharane bafethu. Ayihambe province to province and to the world, because I am #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Ngiyabonga till next week Sunday. Danko.